Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install Clang LLVM compiler on Windows 10 operating system and how to compile C and C++ programs on Windows 10. Okay, so this is clang.llvm.org official website for Clang LLVM compiler. So I am going to download the LLVM compiler. So recent version is LLVM 15.06. So this is the download page. So I am selecting LLVM 15.0.6 for Windows 64. So LLVM-15.0.6-win64.exe. Yes, I am downloading that this exe file for Windows 64-bit. Now I am going to install this LLVM. So right click run as administrator. Accept the license agreement. So I am going to add the LLVM to the path variable so that all users can run the C programs on LLVM, Clang LLVM compiler. Okay, click the next button. So I am going to change the destination location. So I don't want to install under program files. So I am going to install in C drive. So click the next button. Yes, click the install button. So installation is started. So installation is completed. Now let us go to the C drive. That is where Clang LLVM compiler is got installed. Yes. So this is the directory structure. So bin directory contains a lot of executables which contains C compilers. Also many exes are available. I will be explained later. So this is the directory structure of Clang LLVM compiler. So this is the official distribution. So many other compilers also including this Clang LLVM compilers. So this is the official distribution. So now we are going to see how to check the version. Okay, first I am going to set the sorry, I am going to check the path variable is set or not. Yes, so path variable is already set. So during installation itself, the path variable is got set. So bin folder is added to the Windows path variable so that all the executables will be available in the path. Okay, now let me open the command prompt. So just type clang hyphen version. That's it. Yes, so our installation is correct. Clang hyphen version. Yes. So our installation is correct. Now I am going to run C and C++ programs which I already having in my computer. So D:(C) program is a directory where I am having C programs. So I am going to run one sample program. So ascending.c. So this ascending.c will sort the array numbers in array in ascending order. So this is the syntax to compile the ascending.c. Now let me run the, yes, you can see that ascending.exe is got run. So now let me go to the directory. You can see that exe file is got created. Okay. So you can see these numbers are got sorted. Okay, now next I'm going to run the C++ programs. So ascending.cpp, this program is located in C++ directory. So this directory is for C programs. So there is separate directory for C++. Let me go to the directory, push t colon slash C++ programs. So now I am going to compile the C++ program in Clang LLVM compiler. So this is the syntax: Clang++ ascending.cpp is the name of the cpp file, -o ascending.exe. That's it. So now ascending.cpp is compiled and exe is got created. Now let me run the ascending.exe. Yes. So numbers are get sorted in ascending order. And also you can see exe file is got created. So this is the way you can compile C and C++ program in Clang LLVM compiler on Windows 10 operating system. So just extract the zip file, just install it, add the bin directory to the path variable, that's it.